Today we're doing a rear door table install. It's a stainless steel table. It's going to go on the back door here. So that's the main table here. And these are the mounting brackets and the mounting hardware. So first thing to do is actually to attach these brackets to the rear door, and I'll show you how to do that. So actually what we might want to do first is actually remove this protective plastic off the stainless steel. Make it a lot easier to remove later. So that's what we're going to do first. We'll take that protective layer off. It's a nice brushed stainless steel finish. Much easier to do it first. So position the bracket on the door. You want to actually line it up with this edge, and you want about a 3mm gap from the edge to the edge of the stainless steel bracket. So you'll need a drill with a 3mm drill bit, and we're going to drill the holes for the plastic screws. Again, position the bracket so you have about a 3mm gap. And drill the hole in the middle of the slot. To make it easier, use the plastic screw and attach the bracket. This will make it easier to drill the other holes. Now just adjust it so you get your 3mm gap and go ahead and drill the other holes. So when attaching these screws, make sure you don't over tighten them and strip the threads out. They just need to be firm, snugged up. So you need to do this for the other side as well. When you have those two brackets up, you're ready to attach the table. What you need is, you'll need the M8 bolt, a washer and an M8 nut, but what I'll do first is I'll show you. You need to put the bolt, a washer in between, and the same on the other side. Make sure you put a washer in between the table and the bracket. And then attach the lock nut. Make sure when you're installing this hinge bolt, the M8, that there's a washer in between the bracket and the table. Now we just want to tighten up the nylock nut so that it's nice and snug. So the last thing to do is to attach the support line. The way we do this is we weave it up from the bottom here, through the top, up from the bottom and through again. And we do the same to the top of the table. So this is the table installed. It's a 316 brushed stainless steel table. Sits about 25mm off the back edge. Easy to use. Just open up the elastics, open it out. You're still able to access the doors. I won't take it out, but you can actually take it out, and folds up just as quickly.